Click on the Create a Design button on the top right and select the type of design you want to create. On the Edit toolbar, click Elements. Go to the search bar and enter Grid, or select from the options below. Click on See All beside the Grid section to view all available grid options. Click on the grid you want to use, and it will automatically be added to your design canvas. You can adjust the size and position of the grid by clicking and dragging its corners or edges. Go to the Uploads menu. Add images to the grid by dragging and dropping photos from the image library. Customize the spacing on the grid using a slider by clicking the Spacing option above. Customize the border color, weight, rounding, and style by clicking on the grid and using the toolbar options at the top. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button at the top right to save, download, or share your design.